Hola amigos, hola amigas, Dorian here from Hooverlux. Welcome, bienvenido, croeso, assalamu alaikum, welcome to my channel. Guten Tag and howdy y'all. So, we are back in the garage with an unboxing to do for today. So, I've just finished off doing the Turbo Power video. And I decided to change into a black t-shirt because black is very concealing with my moobs and guts. So, but I still have to wear my lovely mustard colour cardi thingy jig because it's still a bit, it's very cold today. It's like 1 degree outside, so the heater's on and everything, but it's still pretty cold in here, as you can see. So anyway, I'm here with a lovely warm cup of coffee, and first of all, my bags arrived today. Now, these are for my TriStar Ace, and the only place I could get the bags was from the States. So I bought 2 packs of the bags. I think they were something like $8 each, but postage was like 14 quid. So it's worth it because each pack contains 12 bags. So I got 24 bags. That's definitely going to last me until the next time I go over to the States, and then I'll see if I can get other ones. Maybe they sell like fleecy lined ones or something, I don't know, because they still make that type of vacuum cleaner, so they still make the bags for them, but it would be nice if I could have the fleecy type bags to use with them. So there we go, so that's that, 2 more packs of bags. So they arrived today. This arrived last week. Now, a fellow vacuum enthusiast, collector by the name of Philip Taylor, oh, they've fallen off, contacted me about a vacuum that he might have to sell. So I was very excited about this because I thought it was very, very nice. So I paid for it before Christmas, but I said, could you post it after Christmas because I'm away and everything, so it's best to leave it until the new year. So this arrived, and I didn't realise what it was until Philip contacted me and said, have you received the parcel? So I sent a photograph of it, and I said, is this it? And he said, yes, it is. And I thought it was something else. So sorry, Philip, I would have opened it up earlier, but I'm very itchy to get this open. Because this video is for my biggest Kirby fan, yes, the one and only Ben Parkey. Alright, Ben, how are you? I bet this is really embarrassing you now, because you said it would embarrass you, so I was like more eager than ever to give you a mention, Ben. Now, Ben lives kind of a bit south from me, not as far south as London, but he lives a bit further south, and he is a huge Kirby fan. The Kirby G3 is his absolute favourite vacuum cleaner, and I have to say the power drive on it is one of my favourites. And he contacted me as a subscriber and commented, and then we exchanged details and we got talking, and we've got a lot in common, and he's a really, really nice guy, and he absolutely loves his Kirbys. And I've been in contact with him many times to discuss sort of like Kirby issues or Kirby questions that he has. I mean, I'm no expert, but I have taken a number of them apart, and I still have a number of them to do when the weather gets warmer and give them all machine polishings. So yes, so hello Ben, how are you? I hope you're well. You are going to enjoy this video because you're my #1 Kirby fan. So without further ado, let's take a sip of coffee and let's get unboxing. I noticed that when I was supping my coffee on some previous videos, you could hear everything, and I sounded like a complete pig. I don't normally sup my coffee like that, so I'll have to do it quieter. Okay, let's get unboxing, because I'm very excited, Philip, for this. Ooh, the tension's mounting. You used a lot of tape on it, which is very good, very well protected. We all like good protection. Now, let's undo this side. This was delivered by our favourite parcel force person by the name of Wayne. Wayne was the one that delivered this package. Okay, so what have we got in the box? Oh, this is so exciting. I think I've given it away to what it is because I mentioned Ben and he loves Kirby, so obviously from the title as well. But this is pretty awesome, I have to say. So first out, we have got a bag and a foot emptor, which is in really good condition. It's a bit dusty. Yeah, this is a shakeout style bag. So there we go, there's the bag. Looks a bit Scottish, doesn't it? Next, we have a lovely handle in a lovely... I just love the colour of the red. It was really bright. Beautiful red cord. Well, I wonder what that could be. The handle with the money box. This is an early one. I don't know if we had this in the UK. Well, we must do, because it's... Yeah, we must have. Some lovely bags. And... a pet food receipt. Oh, okay. I didn't realise where he lived. So, the Scottish comment to the bag is very apt, Philip. I didn't realise. Okay, and the last part we have is the main body. So, let me get rid of this box. I'll pop it down here. I wonder what year this is from. It looks a bit 70s-ish. I don't know. We'll have a look. So, let's undo this first, which is the brush head. Where did I put my opener up? I'm going to have to ask him for the history of this. If it's something that's been in his family for a long time. Excuse me. Oh, wow. Look at that. It's got a belt on it and everything, that's good. I'll just hook the belt on. Ooh, look at that. Amazing. It's ginormous. There's a date wheel here, which says 8. 78? I don't know. It's an early one because it's got a thing out bag. It can't be 88, can it? I didn't even think to ask him what year it was. Let's have a look at this. Probably got it on it written on there. So let's... I need that. It's the bolt. Put that there. All this bubble wrap will come in very handy for the vacuums that I'm selling, because I can reuse it. You did a very good job of wrapping it, thank you. Oh wow. Oh wow, that is so cool. Absolutely stunning. Now, I can't see where the date stamp is. It should be on there, so I don't know if it's polished off, actually. We'll change that light bulb to an LED one so it'll run cooler and more efficient. I just love the way that the wheels are hidden underneath there. That is so cool. Okay, let's get this together. Let me get the hook through. Excellent. need to take the screw out of this. Or do I? I don't think I do actually. There we go. Wow, that's cool. Now let's get, actually before I put that on, I will test it. Let's get the Emptor on. Oh, and he's given me some belts as well. Thank you very much. Now this is a, like I've said, is a dirty bag one. Cord's in good condition. This is fantastic. Oh, there's a pocket. Alright, okay. Wonder what the pocket's for. Was that to keep belts in, maybe? I don't know. It smells really nice. Okay, let's put on... Does need a good clean out. Hang on a sec. Let's get Hetty. We got Hetty joining us today. Hello, Hetty. Let's get the Emptor on. There we go. Let's get the bag hooked on. Perfect. Now let's get the power cord in. The original cable. Did this go? I wonder if he's got it hooked onto there like that. Right, okay, so we got it together. It's got a bit of a lean forward on it, but I can fix that. That's not a problem. And the spring's a bit what you call on it, but again I can fix the spring. Bit spaghetti at the moment. Hang on a second. What have I done? So I'm going to test it and then I'm going to go back and find out what Kirby this is. Oh, it's the Classic 3. So there we go. It's the Kirby Classic 3. I did have a list of the Kirbys and when they were made, the Classic 3. Sorry, this is all spaghettied up a second. Okay. There we go. Right, let's plug it in. I hope it's not on. No. Okay, let's switch it on. Oh, it's because I haven't got this on. Ugh. Stupid fool. Oh, what a fool am I! Let's get this on. Let's get the belt on. Put the lid on. Whoa! There we go. Wow, that is so amazing. Right, let's get you guys a bit closer and we'll have a look at this. Okay, so here we have the Kirby Classic 3. That is absolutely amazing. It's in really, really good condition. I will give it a further machine polish and clean up the plastics and the bag and everything. But it is in really, really good condition. Thank you so much for offering this to me. She is going to be truly looked after. So there is a, what is this? Open if suction is too high. Alright, it's got a little suction control thing on it. Headlight works on it, everything's fine, it's in really good condition. It's a bit dusty, I'll give it a little wipe over now. Let me just give it a quick, where did I put it? There. Get some cloths. I think this possibly might be the oldest Kirby I have. I'm not entirely sure. I've got the blue ones there. It's in amazing condition, really, really good. There's not much I'm going to need doing to it, but like I said, I will give it a good machine polish to bring it up, but it's in really good condition for its age. It's been looked after, you can see that. I think the only thing that really puts me off these is the what you call out bag. I think that's the only thing that kind of puts me off in a way, because it's bloody messy. It's one of the reasons why I don't like Dysons, is because of the emptying of the bag thing. There we go, how's that? A little bit of spit and polish, come up even shinier. Amazing condition, really, really amazing condition. To be honest, I might not even give it a machine polish. I will try it by hand. But anyway, there we go. I think we need to get this girl on the floor and give her a demo. Let's put it down. There she is, on the floor, plugged in. Let's give it a go. Wow, what an absolute beast. Ben, you would love trying this, I'm telling you. You would really, really like it. And any of you out there likes the Kirbys. Probably many of you have got them. This is my first Classic 3. So the other ones I got, the blue ones, which are these ones. These are the Tradition. I'll just pull it out. So this is the Tradition. Very similar, but these have got the bags. This hasn't got a bag in it, or a fill tube. Oh yes, it does. There we go. That's got a bag fill on it. I haven't touched this one yet. This is the one from Andrew, Andy Gables. Hello, how are you? Waiting for the warmer weather, then I can give it a good old clean out. Now what I need to do is have a look at that and see if there's a way to convert this into a bag fill rather than a bag inside here rather than a tip out bag. It would make life a lot easier. So anyway, we will see. So what I'm going to do, let me get my mess. There we go. Am I mad about mess, Steve? You've been doing some mess tests on that Vax. Oh boy, buying a Vax. I can't believe it. You let the side down. You had all those lovely Dysons and then you had to go and buy a Vax. But somebody has to, and I guess to show everybody what they like. So I won't hold it against you, I promise. So let's sprinkle down some muck. And let's see how it does. I'm just going to do one pass back and forth, like I always do, like all the collectors do. And let's see how it does. Okay, right, let's take you off the tripod and let's have a look. Now, nice clean path apart from the line of disgrace. But the agitation on it was incredible. I don't know if you could see it, but I'm going to do it now with the agitation so you So there we go, my little whippersnappers, my aspiradoritas. This is the Kirby Classic 3. Absolutely fantastic example of a Kirby Classic 3 here. I will find out for the date and everything, and I'll put it on the description in the video. But for now, this isn't going to stay in the garage. This is going to get taken inside and upstairs with the others, because it's only going to need a light polishing and some investigation on how to convert the bag. So I'd like to say a great big thank you to Philip Taylor for offering me this, because I truly am chuffed with it. It is a beast of a machine, and I can't wait to do some demos inside with it, a full house clean, because I really do like it. I love it. I think it's fantastic. And Ben, I hope you've enjoyed this one as well. I can't wait for you to try this when you come up with your Kirby's for me to polish. I can't wait for you to have a go at this, because you like it. It's heavy, because obviously it doesn't have the tech drive or anything in it, but it is definitely a beast of a machine to use. It's really good on carpet cleaning on here. It was lifting up the carpets. It's very, very powerful. You will really like it. So anyway, thank you to you guys for this, for making this video possible. Big hello as well to all my new subscribers. Thank you very much for subscribing. I hope you enjoy the channel and the content. Please let me know what you think, comment, like, and any new people, please subscribe. I got videos coming up a couple of times a week, unboxings and demos and refurbs, and inside the house full clean demos as well. It's a bit cold at the moment in here, so I haven't done much of the refurbing, because it's just simply too cold to be out here for long periods of time. So yeah, I need the weather a bit warmer. So anyway, thank you very much, and I will see you all in the next video. And don't forget, on the 25th of January is my 1 year anniversary of starting the channel. And we're already over 600 subscribers in just under a year, and it's just mind-blowing. It's fantastic. Thank you so much for your support. It's wonderful. I really appreciate it. So we will keep going, keep letting me, keep commenting on the videos coming through, and I'll do what I can for you. So thank you very much for joining me today. I hope you've enjoyed it, and I'll see you all in the next video very soon. Bye for now.